For my first presentation, I want to cover something that I'm very passionate about. As the founder of SolidWorks, I've been obsessed with SolidWorks performance for the last 10 years. And with that, I'm very happy to announce that SolidWorks 2019 has made some incredible improvements to graphics performance and overall performance in general. When working with large assemblies in SolidWorks, we often use a tool called large assembly mode. Large assembly mode is great because it will convert components to lightweight mode and simplifies our graphics. But even with large assembly mode turned on, some of the largest assemblies will cause problems. You'll notice that when you try to manipulate the view by rotating or panning or zooming, that it seems a little clunky and it's not as responsive as you'd like it to be. Well, I'm happy to say that SolidWorks 2019 totally changes the game. And it does that by offloading all the graphical number crunching to your video card. How does it do that? Well, SolidWorks 2019 now uses OpenGL 4.5, which is the latest, greatest standard for high-end graphics. So if you have a SolidWorks workstation with a Quadro P series card, you'll notice a huge improvement in performance, especially when manipulating your view. And the best part is you don't even need to use large assembly mode for most assemblies anymore. Now I want to show you how to use this feature in 2019. The first thing you need to do is enable the preset within the NVIDIA control panel. So locate your NVIDIA control panel, click on the Manage 3D Settings, then change your Global Settings preset to the last option on the bottom called Workstation App Dynamic Streaming. Hit Apply and then go to SolidWorks. Now from within SolidWorks, click on your System Options, then click on Performance, and finally enable Performance Pipeline. This is a beta feature right now, but it's worked really well for me at this point, and I can imagine that it's only going to get better. Then hit OK. Now, what will you notice after enabling those enhancements? The first thing that I noticed was that if you have a model open and it's drawing, they will switch between each other really quickly. Now, that's a huge enhancement for me, as I often have a drawing open in the background while I'm working on my SolidWorks model. Now, the one thing you'll notice, though, to make the most out of this is that you want to make sure that both documents are already open, you're not making major changes to the geometry, and you want to make sure that the automatic view update is enabled in the drawing, and that will get you the best performance. Now I want to show you one more enhancement that I absolutely love about SolidWorks 2019, and that has to do with eDrawings. Inside of eDrawings, if you go to the Tools pull-down menu, you'll notice under Options, there's a new option called Graphics Boost. Mine's already set to fastest speed. Now what that's going to do for you is give you a very high performance experience when using eDrawings. So changing views, manipulating views, rotating, all that's a lot faster. And this is all enabled by the fact that I have a OpenGL 4.5 compatible video card, and that SolidWorks 2019 takes advantage of that new technology. With all this put together, it makes for a very fast experience when using SolidWorks.